Welcome to Attendum, an all-in-one platform for all attendance monitoring needs, catering to students, staff, visitors, conferences, events and more. In this video, we're going to explain how registration by proximity functions. Registration by proximity is a unique method that bypasses the need for any interactions with registration devices to record your attendance. In fact, if an institution opts solely for this method, there won't be any registration devices installed. This technique relies on Bluetooth technology. Depending on the size of the room and specific data requirements, one or more Attendum Bluetooth beacons are installed in each room. These beacons emit Bluetooth signals that carry a unique identifier. Once you've installed the Attendum app on your mobile phone and registered, your phone will capture these unique codes and their signal characteristics. This data is then transmitted to the server at set intervals to log your attendance. To utilise this system, you'll need a mobile phone with Bluetooth capability, a feature found in nearly all modern smartphones. Depending on your phone model and the operating system installed, you might also need to enable location services. The app will guide you on what needs to be activated. Then, all you have to do is show up with Bluetooth and, in some mobile phones, locations turned on, and Attendum will do the rest. Please pay attention that the registration is not instantaneous, meaning it might take a few minutes before your attendance is recorded. Please note that the app is programmed to recognise signals solely from predefined Attendum Bluetooth devices, disregarding all other Bluetooth signals. Moreover, the app will only capture signals during the times of your scheduled sessions and when your phone is within the room or in close proximity. Should you have any questions or require further clarification, please don't hesitate to contact us via our Contact Us form. Thank you for listening and for finding out about Attendum.